Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best fuse blocks and fuse holders that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Fuse Blocks and Fuse Holders. This is the second in a two-part series of technical briefs on circuit protection. Part 1 showed how to choose the correct wire size for DC circuits. Part 2 will show how to correctly select a fuse and fuse holder for your DC electrical installation. Regulations require every ungrounded wire except those in the engine starting circuit to have circuit protection. Number 10. Fuse Block MIDI. Ignition protected for installation aboard gasoline or diesel-powered boat. Sealed cover protects fuses from the harsh marine environment. The harsh marine environment. Main features. USCG insulation requirements. Ignition protected for installation. Sealed cover protects. Number 9. EBO 2-pack 12 volts water resistant add a circuit blade type inline fuse holder. Fast and easy plug into an existing fuse holder, protects original circuit. Use wire lead for new circuit, add additional fuse. Main features. Waterproof electrical connection. Package included. Easy to install. Number 8. 150A inline ANL fuse holder fits for 0 to 4 gauge wire including 2 pieces. Include 1 set of hex cat wrench convenience. Flame retardant and transparent PC housing. No mounted terminals need for making connection. Main features. Gold-plated conductivity. Include 1 ANL fuse holder. Transparent PC housing. Number 7. Art Gear 12 volts 24 volts low profile add a circuit fuse tap. Material. The 16 AUG wire lead is made of good quality ABS and copper wire. Simply remove an existing fuse from the fuse box, insert that fuse into the bottom slot. Main features. Applicable fuse. Package included 4 pieces. Easy installation. Number 6. Saw Stop TSIDLD Dado Lockdown Insert. This insert can be used with all saw stop cast iron saws. Job site saw not included, using 8 inches dado blades. Precision machined from a high quality ultra strong phenolic core material. Main features. Solid phenolic core. Low friction. Precision machined. Number 5. Install Gear 0/2/4 gauge AWG inline ANL fuse holder with 250 amp fuse. ANL fuse holder with 250A fuse. Securely holds wire terminals not needed. 10 and 4 gauge wire input. Main features. High conductive finish. Crystal clear cover. Includes 1 fuse holder. Number 4. 50A inline AGU fuse holder fits for 4 810 gauge wire including 2 pieces. AGU fuse holder suitable for gauge wire with 2 PCs. 50A AGU fuse, a hex key wrench for fixing. Body material heat resistant. Main features. Flame retardant. Wire specification. Gold plated conductivity. Number 3. 6 circuit fuse block W/negative bus Joyho ATC/auto 6-way fuse box with ground. All automobiles and devices equipped with 10 to 32 volt DC power source. Maximum of 20 amp circuit and 75 amp per panel. Main features. Premium quality. Perfect for vehicle. 1-year warranty. Number 2. 3-pack -12 volts water resistant add a circuit blade type inline fuse holder. Designed for high current wiring protection up to 200 amps while maintaining a smaller size for ease of use. Each MIDI fuse is designed. Main features. Easy to install. Waterproof electrical connection. Package included. Number 1. 12-way fuse block with ground 6 circuit ATC/auto fuse box holder with negative bus. Forget about having to stop and trying to figure out exactly what's wrong with your car on the road or boat in Blue Sea. The fuse box has a LED light. Main features. Premium quality. Easy to set up. With cover and fuse. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.